Alright, today we are breaking down a practical way to read the SMA10. On this 15-minute AUESD chart, choose Japanese candlesticks and add moving average. Set the period to 10 and keep the SMA type. The line averages the latest 10 closing prices, updating as each new candle replaces the oldest one. In the marked example, 2 earlier rejections show that price has respected the SMA. Price pulls back to the line, then the next bearish candle confirms the lower example. Before acting, confirm that the market is clearly trending and that price rejected the SMA instead of repeatedly cutting through it. Practice on the demo account first. An SMA can lag, and ranging markets can produce false signals. One final reminder, live trading is high risk and can wipe out all the funds you commit. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose.